Hello you guys, it is currently Saturday and we're about to do a huge clean and reset with me. I just feel frumpy, okay? And my house is very much in need of assistance. I definitely need to clean the toilets, I need to clean the shower, I need to vacuum. I just need to clean my house. It is kind of bad in here, so I definitely need to do that. I haven't done it since I had the girls over at the beginning of October. So it's been a minute and I think I'm gonna put a hair mask in as well because it is definitely hair wash day. So let's just get to cleaning up and resetting for the week. So I've got two little hair items that I'm gonna put on. The first one is this rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. I got this from Target a while back and I thought I could use it after the shower to put on my scalp, but it really leaves my scalp very oily. So I think instead I'm gonna put it on before I wash my hair and hope that it helps my itchy, dry scalp. And then I'm also gonna put on this DP Hue gloss. It's a deep conditioner and shade diluter. It says leave on for 30 to 20 minutes. So let's start with this one. I'm pulling out the big guns and I'm gonna do a scalp massage with this oil because it feels so good and it smells amazing because it's rosemary. Perfect, so I'm gonna clip this back. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna let that sit while I clean. I'm probably gonna clean for longer than 30 minutes. So while that sits, I am going to first start by washing the sheets. I actually do already have a load of laundry going. So I'm gonna wash our bed sheets, which haven't been washed in a little too long. And then I'm definitely gonna clean. This bathroom needs some major help. I need to clean the shower, the bathtub, and the toilet. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and clean all of the toilets in all of the bathrooms. We have 3, and then probably clean up in the kitchen a little bit. I honestly haven't been cooking lately. I've just been ordering factory meals, so I have not really been cooking, so the kitchen is like kind of fine. And then I really need to vacuum every single floor. I live in a 3-story townhome, so that takes a little bit. So I'm definitely gonna put on an audiobook. This is the one that I'm currently reading. It's called Not in Love by Ali Hazelwood. And we're just gonna get to cracking on all of our to-dos. done. I feel so good now that the house is all clean and tidy. So let's get the hair situated. I'm gonna go hop in the shower. It's also like an everything shower kind of day because I have not shaved in probably a week. So we're gonna do that too. We're gonna have an everything shower and feel really good. And then we're actually gonna go watch the LSU game at a sports bar tonight, so we're gonna get ready. So hopping in the shower, I started off with this Briogeo scalp conditioning mask. You actually leave it on for like 10 minutes. So I went ahead and washed my body with my Wicked Vanilla Woods body wash, which has been my favorite this month of October. And then I'm gonna go in with my roughest scrub that I have, which is the Tropic Glow Firming Sugar Scrub from Tree Hut. The scent is so amazing, and yes, it's definitely more of a summer scent, but it is kind of my like strongest scrub that I own, so I wanted to do that before I shave. And then I went ahead and washed off that mask and did my regular shampoo and conditioner as usual, and then we're gonna shave with my beautiful flamingo razor. Okay, we're gonna do some body oil because I'm feeling a little dry. This is the Mary Kay Silkening Dry Oil in Peaceful Garden. It's kind of like fruity, but I'm feeling like I want to smell like super vanilla-y tonight. So I think I'm gonna go with Cozy Vanilla Bourbon as a topper, as a body cream, because I think it's gonna smell really, really good. I love to do a body oil right after I've shaved my legs, especially because they get really dry. And I feel like this just helps kind of close the pores, you know? I did change shirts because I was not feeling the other one. It was like really boxy and just making me feel, I don't know, icky. So I'm not gonna have time to do my hair, so we're just gonna put on my usual products and go out with it wet, I guess. But I'm just gonna go in with my JVN Air Dry Cream. This stuff really helps reduce the amount of frizz that my hair gets naturally, just because I do have naturally wavy / curly hair, and it is mostly frizzy, especially since I live in Houston and we are pretty much 80% humidity the entire year. And then I'm gonna go in with my Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. This I like to use as like a leave-in conditioner. So I really only put it on the ends, and whatever's left, I'll bring it up a bit. And then the Sol de Janeiro Nourishing Hair Oil. This is like probably my favorite purchase of the year. It smells so delicious. It smells just like Sol de Janeiro, and I don't know, I think I'm accustomed to it now. I don't smell it on myself anymore, but anytime I ever like smelled a girl and she smelled like Sol de Janeiro, it was always because she was wearing the oil in her hair and not like her body lotion or body spray or whatever. I just think that's like, honestly, my favorite thing ever is whenever I'm like randomly somewhere and some girl's hair smells amazing. It's just, I love being a woman, you know, in that one instance. Let me just find my part. I used to do like pretty heavy side part when it was popular, but ever since middle parts have been popular, I've been doing more of a middle part. So usually I'll just brush my hair back, take one of these like toothpick combs, and my hair will kind of naturally find it now. Since I have a widow's peak, I can't do directly in the middle of my face or else I end up looking like Dracula a little bit. This right here usually does it. It's like a couple centimeters off the middle. And there we have it. I'm sure we're gonna be outside, so let me check what the weather is like to see if I want to maybe put in some curl cream and let it air dry, or if I should just put it in a clip and leave it up and not let it dry at all. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna leave my hair down, but I will put it in a clip before we leave because I don't really want to wear my hair curly for the rest of the next like 4 or 5 days. So I'm not gonna put in curl cream, but we are about to get ready. I'm gonna start with my L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I've been loving this stuff lately. It is really pretty. And since I don't need sunscreen, since it's already like 6:30, I'm just gonna go in with this glowiness since I can't use my e.l.f. Halo Glow, or I don't want to use it because I don't want it to be finished because it's like 15 bucks. It's expensive for e.l.f. So I'm just gonna use that for now. And we're gonna do some light makeup. is the completed look, and that's it for my little reset. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!